So we'll see with the Bajaj Finance. So everyone asked this. So I'll be looking the Bajaj Finance, and then meanwhile you can type the doubts if you have, or you can unmute yourself and ask. Okay. So in the Bajaj Finance also, in the earlier week we have discussed that this was a going in a sideways, a very longer duration. So we were thinking like it might be going one up before it can go any further up. So earlier also we discussed like it is above the channel, so it might go one up. Now it is going sideways, then one up. So I said look for the buy setup, not to sell in case of Bajaj Finance. But if I just add the trend line, so this, and for this moment, like, so we can expect one upside still pending in case of Bajaj Finance. Okay, so we'll be looking these internal waves now. So if it is like yeah, if it is like a 192, or if it is part of this, it will be like 192, 3 and 4 and 5. So yeah, so in case of Bajaj Finance, look for the buy, at least like it might go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 little bit upside. Then we will be seeing how it behaves there. So according to that, we will decide whether to stay in a sell or further buy. Because if you see the total movement for the downside, yeah, if you see this total movement for the downside, now at least to the 38% or 50% can be seen. So 38% is coming near 2993 or 2992. So that can be expected firstly. Okay, if it further, then we don't know how much it go. But as of now, 2995 or 2993 or 2990 is looking like easy target, or it might go up to the level of that. Okay. Now house is open for the questions. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Yeah.
So Bandhan Bank and
Yeah.
Denmark.
Yes, I'm looking into. So just I'll go to the firstly to the weekly, so that it will give some hint what the present structure is going on. So if you can specify the time, that would be very much comfortable for me, because I'll be seeing only those time frames. Okay.
Weekly is
Yeah, fine. So here it might be 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So this reversal is faster. So we can expect some upside movement. I will see whether it has given the valid breakout or not. If I see this down time from this down to this, at least if it started something like here, yeah, it's look like it has given some valid breakout here. If I add little bit like daily, it is started something new here. I am considering that because if I add the sideways trend line or that, so here it has started some structure after finishing this triangular like structure, or a diametric or something. So this can be a new start, not this. So there we got some confirmation, and then a sideways, it will give some confirmation. So again in a sideways, so we can expect one upside movement in case of Glenmark. So stay in a buy, not to sell, at least like 410 and 412 for this daily. And after that we might see this. If it is doing sideways, then it is very good. So we'll be seeing one more up. So this can be expected in case of Glenmark. And if you see this total movement, it is a sideways. So we need to think like if it has to go or cross the top, so it has plenty time left. For example, time here it is not showing, so we'll go with a monthly so that it can show some. Yeah. So if it has to cross, it has to cross in lesser time. So that total time is like 1st July 2024. At least 80% can be seen in this kind of structure, at least to the 80% I'm expecting. But if it at least minimum it to go at least like 61%, then also we can expect it to go 840 or something. So here the structure is looking good, but it is not at all confirmed yet. But this downside, and now it is moving upside, so it will confirm once it crosses this upside move in less time. Okay, so that should be like, that should happen, then we can say that okay, it will going to go for at least 840 or 1000, this structure, like for example this moment. But as of now, if you are seeing in a daily, it is looking good, at least up to the level of channels top or this trend line. Okay, so that level is coming near to the 495 or 480. Okay, this might be the resistance, or here we might face some resistance. Okay, because if I see this total moment, this is looking like something A and something like a B. So here if I see this, it can be 1 and 2, or here if it is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, so we still there we will see this downside moment if it is not
Sir,
crossing it.
sir, if a trend line breakout is there and after that horizontal resistance, then we should wait for the horizontal resistance, or it's clear that
Yes,
recognize it.
if it is for example in the lower time frame, it has given a valid breakout. So it, like it is in the monthly candle, so if it is, if I'm just considering this, it has given a valid breakout. Now we can expect it to go upside, but it depends like how it is going. For example, if it comes here and goes sideways, then it will be problematic. So when it will confirm on the monthly basis, it has to go this high first, 704 or 705 before 21st of August 2nd. Then I can say that okay, it will go to the 80% and to the 100%. Okay, the major trend
There's a
line or major,
news
yeah, news, it's okay. News,
COVID-19 capsule.
yes, yes, they say, they are saying, but usually we are going to see the news lately, because if someone is known this news already, so that is the reason it is moving from the 152 already, like it, the price is 409. Okay, so
Yes,
someone got
it's
here, so this was the people might be knowing this. So here they already bought, so if they are booking here, they might be booking here. So then
yes.
we will be caught at this particular point. Why I'm saying, because if I'm not considering, like if I go a little bit lower time, that might be okay. But if it is not, like for example, if this is a 1 and 2 and this is like 3 and 4, we will be seeing the 5, right? A 1 down first before it can go any further up. So at least like anything has to end in a C waves or a 3 waves. So that can be seen in case of Glenmark also. If I go like lower time frames, if I see lower time frames, then it is fine here. But if you see this again, like from here, if I'm just adding the channel or trend line, so we can expect this first. Okay, so if it is more news, it further pushes upside. I'm not saying that it won't, but here we have some resistance at this particular point, that is 493 or 494. So we'll see how it behaves near this structure. Okay, so as of now, for example, if something has started new, so it might be this total as presently like A or 1, it's a B or 2. Okay, so now it is like in the third waves. For example, this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now it might be going a little bit up, that will be like a fourth wave, and going for the 5. So 1 and 2, then this will be like a 3 and 4 and 5. So anyhow, it is coming near to that resistance. Why I'm saying, because internally, if you see this again, like 1 and 2, 3 and 4 has finished. So only one wave is left here for the third. So after third, again, we will be seeing the correction, and this after this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will be seeing the bigger correction. So that might take some time. So let settle this news or whatever the event is. So we'll be eventually getting the price to the downside. Then we will be getting, we'll be buying for this upside movement. Not now, present. Yeah.
So Bandhan Banks.
Yeah, I'll see. Time frame in Bandhan Bank?
Sir, they will be weekly time frame.
Okay, fine. Yeah, from this down, this up, and this is a down. Yeah. So as per the channel, we can expect this to go a little bit upper as per the channel. Why I'm saying, because this was a long consolidation in the earlier. It was doing like A, B, and C. In this C also we are 1, 2, and now 3, 4, and 5. If it is like 1, 2, 3 in third candle, it has given a valid breakout again. Why I'm saying the valid, because here if you see this 1, 2, 3 candles, 1, 2, third candle has broken the high and closed above that. So that will be the confirmation. So what we can expect here, little bit up. So the new first resistance will be at here at 370 or something. Okay. And for the upside to confirm, it has to break this trend line. So it is near to that resistance presently what we are, because this line has to cross. Okay. Still
So
there
if
is.
there's a time, I have 2 more stocks.
Yeah, we will be seeing that. Okay. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Divis Lab, Bizone, Deepak Nitrate, Cipla, Sun. Okay. Time frame, sir. Daily you want me to see, sir? Then Dinsha, sir. Okay. Divis Lab. Okay. It is. Yeah. In the daily structure, it is looking good, because after this long consolidation or long quicker movement, there is a sideways. So the structure might be doing a triangular like. Yeah, for investor. Okay. For investor means I need to see the total wave structure. To Divis. If you are seeing in perspective of like a long-term investing in case of Divis, so presently we might see some consolidation here, because it is looking like the structure that of the flat or a triangle. Then it might go one up. Okay. So if not, if it is crossing this 2230, then we might see one down. Here it's a good opportunity buy if you want to buy at the level of 2000, or wait for this 2550 to cross. Then it will give us some confirmation. Why I'm not saying presently buy, because if you buy at this zone, and it might be like reversing and then going for the up. But if you see this total movement for the upside also, I think something has got over already. It's like this, if I'm considering 1 and 2, or here it is a 3 and 4, it is going like 1 or 2 waves. For example, not much has left for the upside, only like from 2300 to some 2000, 300, 400 to 3000 can be seen, but not a huge movement can be expected in case of Divis Laboratories. Okay. So I'm not in favor of buy like expecting it to go 300% and 400%. Presently not. At least from the 2000 level, we can buy for the 3000. That will give some 50% return. Okay. For example, if it is like from here only, if it is going after this correction, let's say like this, after this correction, it can go. But if it is still, I'm taking that, that will be going for 3200 and 3500. But if I see this moment, this is already like something has done, and it is near this fifth wave that I'm expecting. So it is not in, if I'm asking, like if asking me, then I'm not in favor of the Divis Laboratories as of now. So can we wait a little bit? Sun Pharma. Yeah, Sun Pharma we can buy, because here it has given some breakout, and that is a valid breakout, and here it is consolidating. So in case of Sun Pharma, you can buy. You can buy like from the level of 420 to the 500 zone. So we can expect at least like 655 and 80% will come near 900. So this is in a favorable structure compared to the Divis Laboratories. So here I'm expecting at least 861, that is coming 61%, and 80% will be 991. So minimum to minimum is 650, 860, and 990 can be seen. So I'm in favor of the Sun Pharma as of now, not in favor of Divi's Laboratories. Okay. So we'll see one more chart was that. Yeah, in case of Sun Pharma, you can buy. Yeah. Cipla and Deepak Nitrite, we'll see. Yeah. It is quicker. Yeah, Cipla can be like bought, but it is little late. But this candle has given not given any chance to buyers. So there is a chance like it might be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after this a small correction, then we can expect one up. Okay. So here in case of Cipla, one can look for the buy. So if I add that trend line, so it will be going for that. So at least like 850 or something. So that will be coming near channel stop. So here we can expect some correction also, but this moment can be expected here because this moment is very much sharper. So, and it has given a valid breakout here. Keeping the stop loss of this, we can go for buy from this, from this, from this. So I'm in favor of buy in case of Cipla. Deepak Nitrite. So earlier we discussed the Deepak Nitrite. So I'm not in favor of buy because I think what has to happen, I think something has happened here. So it might be like a 1, 2, and 3, 4, and it is going for the fifth. If it is going one or like 100 or 200 points, that may not be a very much favorable in case of Deepak Nitrite. Again, it will be giving that of the Divi's Laboratories. Okay. So from the level of like 500 to 700 can be, but I think it has done the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So some correction or long consolidation can be seen in case of Deepak Nitrite. So I'm waiting for that. Okay. Yes, the Divi's Lab not in favor of this, and so Midani, Mishru Dhatu, or Bajaj Amines. Okay.
Balaji Amines.
Yeah. Yeah, Mishra Dhatu Nigam. Okay.
So both from positional and also from investment point.
Yes. Yeah. It is in the favor of buy, because if I see this moment, it is like a V reversal, what we usually say. And after this consolidation is a good sign that we will be expecting one upside, at least like from this to this. And the structure wise, like at least to the 80% or 100%. So that is in the favor of like 255 and to the 274 or something.
Okay.
That's,
from
that
250, yeah, so 214 to about 250, 270.
Yes, that can be expected. So here, if it is giving like 1 or 2 days consolidation, that will be a good sign. So here, there you can expect this to happen, because this is a longer consolidation. If it is not also, like for example, if it is correcting a little bit, again it will go to the upside only. So there is two possibilities here, means the structurally two possibilities, because here it is already doing the triangular like structure. There is only one structure can be expected at this particular stage is diametric. For example, if reverses from here, let's say, as this is like A, B, C, and D. If it is like E, and if it is F, again it will go for G, and then after this it will happen.
So time frame is, this is even if it comes down, it will be 3-4 days, 4-5 days or so.
Yeah. Day wise, it might be like not 3-4 days. Yes, maybe a week or so.
At the most, a correction of 4-5 days.
Yes.
Otherwise, it could go up within 2 days, 2-3 days.
Yeah. This is the two like trend lines presently. This one.
Okay.
So if it is going sideways or like coming down, then the target will be little lesser. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So it is good.
Okay.
If
Good,
everyone
good.
is watching, you can enter in this.
Okay.
Thanks for this. Okay, one more you said, which one? Bajaj
The
Almond, right?
Balaji Amends, Balaji,
Oh,
Balaji Amends.
okay, fine. Okay. Yeah, it is also looking good. But A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E. So here we can expect a little bit correction in this case. Why I'm saying that, because A, B, C, if I'm thinking this as like simple A, B, C, then it is going for A, B, and C, D, and E like. And if I see the time wise, this is the B. So if it is taking much more time, it might do the structure that of the flat. So if it is making flat, so we will be seeing one down. Like after this, we will be seeing one down, then it will go up. So structure wise, it is not in a very much favorable as that of the earlier chart.
Okay.
Here I can
One down means, sir, it
yeah,
can
one
come up to.
yeah, up to the level of like from where it reverses, that depends. For example, if it is reversing from 100%, so it will come 80 to 100%. Okay. If it is coming from 138%, then it will come to the 80%. If it is reversing from 80% only, then it might come below this. So this is the flat structure.
Okay.
Presently, if it is not flat, let's say if it is faster, because it's only took a 200% of the time, then we can expect this structure to behave like a triangle again. So there I'm expecting it to behave like this. It quicker, then it will quicker, then it will be, then it will go. So it will take some time. So presently it is not in favor of buy as of now. So we can wait in this because if you see this total, I will check in a higher time frame also, like what can be expected. So in higher time frame it is good, but here it is facing some resistance. Let's say if I'm just adding to this as a zone, so here it will face some resistance. And if I see the time wise from this low to this low, it has already passed. So that is little bit concerning one. Means if it has to cross like in lesser time to this. From this it would have good. From this only if it is moved. Now, if it is not, then it might take some time here, because if you see this movement also, it is not a slower one, it is a faster one. So then we can expect a little bit correction or sideways movement. Or if you see with this angle also, it is like A and B, a C, D, and some E action at least.
Okay.
Then we can expect this.
Okay, among the two, the other one is much more positive.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you're looking in terms of like longer term, then you can add like 30% of that, because if you like we are thinking like, okay, if it is moved suddenly, so we will miss this moment. Then you can add 30% here when it corrects 30%, and when it corrects little bit, then 30%. That can be. Yeah.
Okay.
So Cummins India.
Sorry.
Cummins India.
Cummins India. Yeah, we'll see.
Weekly and daily basis.
Yeah. It's weekly, so I think chart is ready. We'll see. So I'm just removing this. Here also. Or some structure if it is started from this or this. It is not presently a trend line, but just I'm adding it. From the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we can.
You said that it's not presently a trend line. Why did you say that?
I'm not adding why clear trend line, because this is the trend line.
Okay. Trend line must have how many points?
2 points. Like if it is from the top, we should have 2 top points. and
Yes.
one downside.
And if we see short term daily basis,
Yeah,
then
from it is daily base, again a 2 points. From this angle, it is a 2 point and this is a 1.
okay, sir.
So presently I'm not, why I'm adding, not adding here, because it has not crossed the previous high. So it might be doing this also. Again, I need to shift this trend line to the downside. So that will be there. So here the
Okay, sir.
presently, if it crosses the previous high, then I can add this trend line. So then we can expect this to happen.
Okay, sir.
So here in favor of, like, if it is 80% also, I think here we might be again doing the structure that of the flat or a triangle. Okay. So here, if I see this moment and this moment, it is looking like a triangle. So we can expect this and this,
Okay, sir.
because this time is looking similar to this. So I can expect a little bit triangular like structure here, or some complex correction before it can go any further up. It is not in favor of flat, but it is looking in favor of triangle. So there definitely we are going to go one up, but here it is taking some time. So if you are getting here, or you can enter here and exit here, again you can enter here and wait for this to happen. That,
Yes. So last one, Canara Bank.
yes, we'll see that. Yeah, it is good. Means if you see this, it is fine. If I go a little bit lower time frames, yes, you can buy. Why I'm saying is because here it has something that started new, so we can expect it to go a little bit higher.
So I was considering to take option trading here.
Option buy or sell?
Option buy, sir.
Yeah, you can do that. You can do that. In buy, you can do that. So in early also, like if it is near to this structure, or if it is crossing, then it is good. But if it is like something you are getting at the downside, for example, I'm going a little bit lower time frames, near to this, or if it is, yeah, if it is crossing 108 or something, you can add, no issue.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because if it is coming a little bit down also, we can, but that will that won't give any guarantee like it will go, but at least like 106, or if it is crossing at 108, you can add, and add only near one, not like very much far, like 120 or 120.
Yes, yes.
Near, you can trade.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. Britannia better than HUL target. Okay. You're asking me or you are telling? Okay. Britannia, will look into that. Weekly. So if it is like this first, so something flat has done, or something like this. Again, this reversal is sharper. We'll look into daily. So presently this, if it has to cross the up or a top, I'll be shifting this trend line to the 2-4 trend line, or to this, like, okay. Not very much like very good it is looking, because if it is like a ABC or 1 2 3 1 also, it is looking like 1 2 and smaller 3 4, and you will be getting a smaller third wave. For example, this is smaller third wave, and the fifth will be a little bit smaller. It can go in like higher time frames. I need to check.
Madhavji,
Yes.
hi, this is Nitin here.
Yes, Nathan.
Can you pull out the Nifty chart again?
Yeah, I will look. So here, if you want to buy the Britannia, so the target like coming near to the 38 or 39. So not very much favor here, because 34 to 38 at 10%. It's not in very much good, which it might go after this. We can buy once it gives the consolidation. then we can buy for this upside. Okay, wait for now because it is near the trend line or near the channel stop. Okay. So many queries today. Kotak we have discussed, ICICI Bank we have discussed. Okay, asking have bought Britannia. Okay, if you bought, you can wait for 3800 or 3900. Okay, Lupin I'll see and I'll look for the Nifty. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5, it is going in a sideways, so presently no buy because it might come one downside before it can go any further up, because it is looking like a sideways. So we can expect one correction here, a smaller, then we can look for the buy. So presently not in favor of buy, but you can sell it if it is giving a confirmation after going this. If it comes faster and crosses the 711, you can look for the sell for at least like 840 or to the 820 level to make this structure as a flat. Okay, Nifty time frame. Nitin.
1 hour.
Okay. Yes, I'm removing everything. Yes.
You draw that ABC, right? So I just wanted to see the C section. If you draw the horizontal line to that C.
Okay, for this C. Okay. This one. Like it has to go, then just I'm considering this. So this. So what you want me to look into that?
Okay, so C is parallel. The
So
horizontal
here,
line, it's
yeah,
8,800.
yes, it is 9,800 C. For example, this is the C if I'm thinking. Or like if you're thinking this as a or this as a B, this as a C, then it is not in favor of A, because here for to say this as A, we don't have three-way structure here. We have only two structure, means ABC structure is there.
Right. Now in the beginning you draw ABC where the register it is falling.
So earlier
from
it was there, might be I drawn earlier like this. Okay. So here I run this. So the first video, or like maybe 3-4 weeks or before that. So it might be like a, so B, so we can expect this C to go a little bit higher. So that time I might have said.
Then we fall there, right?
Yeah, why it fails? Because if you see the time wise, if I see this total A and B, the half time, means the total time of A, B and AB I'm taking, and that this will be the 100% of the time. If these two are different in time, so we can expect C in quicker form. I mean, C should come at least in half time or 100% of the time. The half time will be this imaginary line. So the C should have finished here. So I think something has a different structure here. So the C of possibility has got over here, means we finished that, because it was taking much more time. If you see this is 100%. So I was thinking something like a triangle or a diametric can be expected here. So for the diametric and triangle, again it has to do like a C, a D, E, F and G, a sideways. Or to say triangle, at least like this we can expect like A, B, C, D and E. So then the structure is totally different. So when we decided like this was like going in a sideways, then I said it might be doing the diametric, because we got all 3 or 4 waves and it was going sideways compared to this raise. So I said it might be doing a 1D and we will be going for the E again.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is like a reply. So if I press the reply button, so it might be. It went in a sideways, then a downside, and then up. Yeah, this sideways was given some hint like it might go one up before it can go any further down.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Anything else? So we have 3 minutes time left. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
You're taking up any other companies?
Presently?
Yeah, I have two more companies to look at.
Yes, we will.
Sure. One is Dixon Technologies and another is Dhanuka Agritech.
Okay. We'll look into that. So here in ONGC, it is going in a sideways. So I'm not expecting any like a faster movement here. So we can expect some consolidation in case of ONGC. So not very much quick it is going. So there we can expect some correction sideways. Then we can look for the buy. Dhanuka. Dhanuka Agritech not in favor of buy, at least in the early chart.
Okay.
In a daily.
So,
yeah, we'll look.
So,
in daily it has some potential to move up. If it is like third wave or something, here it is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and after that we can expect one up move.
So it is already moved up substantially.
Yes,
is it like
definitely.
It is at very late stage now.
Yes,
like now it's not worth looking at it.
Yes, it is at the channel stop, so we can expect this to come down.
So what can it be, sir? Maximum it can go up to about 850 or
920 or something. It can go. If I'm looking like 1 and 2, it is like after this 3 and 4, we can expect this 960 or 920. But if you are getting near this 600 and 650, then you can add
660. Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, Dixon Technologies.
Yeah, Dixon we have looked. Dixon or Dixon? Dixon. Dixon. Yes. So yeah, still there is a chance. Like we can expect it to go 6,400 or 6,000 change. Still it is in the.
Really?
Yes. Still it is. If you see this, I'm not just doing any miracles here. Just I'm trend line, and it is in the favor of trend line still. So it can.
And so 6,000 is like sure.
Yeah.
Like
6,000. Yes, it can.
And in the same move, it can go beyond that also.
Yes, you can. It can, because if you see the internally, like for example, something has started here, it can go anywhere like this also. But that we need to count how it moves. If it is sharper, then we can stay like this also.
Okay.
And from the whole, and so like from the down to upside, at least like this is minimum.
Okay.
So here, if it consolidates, then it is good. Again, it will go one up. From there, this trend line will be valid.
Okay. So if it consolidates around 6,000.
Yeah.
400. Okay.
And suddenly it won't come down. If it comes also, like it will go upside.
Okay.
For example, this is the structure is downside. It is faster. Again, a smaller down can be seen. Similar to this structure.
Then and if a down could be about 100, 200 points?
Yeah, that only 50% or above 50% it will stay most of the time.
And it will be about